first up, car hooks from the Dollar Tree. Like, these are so stinking cute, first of all. Y'all knew I was going to say that. But I found some on Amazon, $8.99. Same exact thing, decorative like these were. Too cute. Too stinking cute. Let's see if they serve their purpose. Cute, you guys. How cool are these things? I love this. I need 2 more for the other seat. Very, very cool. Would you guys look at the different organization they've got out right now? All the different colors. They got some cute stuff out right now. Okay, so just hear me out. This is a back loofah sponge. So it's got the strap. You could literally take the loofah off of it and use this to put on like tanning stuff across your back. I'm totally gonna get one of these. Now, I was able to find this exact same thing without the loofah, obviously, on Amazon for $6.50. So I brought mine home. I realized that I wasn't going to be able to take the loofah part off of it. Like it was sewn on. It was sewn in several different places too. But when you flipped it over to the back side, it was perfect. It was exactly the same material as my actual like tanning mitt. And this thing had handles on each side of it. So it was perfect to like rub across your back. So I just put my tanning stuff literally across this thing and then rubbed it across my back, guys. And it worked out perfect. Okay, guys. So I wanted to stop for a minute and tell you guys a little bit about the mitt, the loofah mitt thing that I used for the tanning. So I put my tanning stuff on it, run it across my back, and you guys, it worked perfectly. Like, literally, it worked perfect. You didn't have to take the loofah off. I just flipped it around to the back side, and that's what I used. They sell for exactly, and I got mine for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, you guys. So go check that out. If you self-tan at home, you need to grab one of those because it is perfect for tanning your back. It is absolutely perfect. Acrylic gel nail wraps. So this was kind of cool to find at the Dollar Tree. I found some on Amazon and it was 100 for $9.88. Now the better deal is still gonna be the Dollar Tree on this, you guys. I mean, at 24 for $1.25, definitely still the better deal. Now, while I was on that aisle, I found the Ultimate White Whitening stuff from the Dollar Tree. This is like the 3-day whitener. I see this all the time and I've never tried it. So I grabbed a couple boxes of this and here we go. Okay, you guys, so I have the teeth whitening strips on. And I just wanted to mention that they really suction to your teeth really well. Like they stick really well. And I've had no trouble with them whatsoever. I'm talking fine. I have been able to put my makeup on, like everything with these on, and they didn't bother me a bit. So definitely wanted to mention that they're very easy to use. Oh yeah, and I will let you guys know what it looks like in 3 days. All right, guys, so it has been 3 days, and my teeth might be a little whiter. I don't know. They're not enough that you can really tell. I would say that if you used this for a certain amount of time, like a week or two, this might actually work. This might lighten your teeth up. But as far as like it working in 3 days, my teeth are too stained for that. Mine personally. Yours might not be. You may just need a little touch up, and this might be perfect for it. But like I said, for $1.25, it's not really like a bad deal, I don't guess, to be able to, like, if you bought 2 or 3 packs of them, and used it for a couple weeks, I do think it would do something, because you can really tell that it's got peroxide in it. It really suctions to your teeth, and it like almost bubbles up inside there. It doesn't bubble, like you don't foam at the mouth or anything, but it does. You can just tell. You can just tell that it's doing something. You can definitely tell that it's doing something. So anyways, I just thought I would definitely let you guys know how that went with the teeth whitening strips from the Dollar Tree. Okay, guys, next up is this really neat tape that I found at the Dollar Tree. I was really shocked to see this at the Dollar Tree, although the price of it and Amazon's price, huge difference. The better choice is going to be to go with Amazon on this one. But this is Kinology Tape. It is a thin, stretchy tape made from cotton and nylon, and it is used to help with muscle movement and athletic performance. It is often used to relieve pain, reduce swelling and inflammation, and provide support to joints and muscles. So very cool to find that at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so Paisley is going to demonstrate this tape for us. It is the Kinology Tape. Guys, I don't have the slightest clue if I'm saying that correctly or not. We looked it up. Paisley and I Googled it to see if we were saying it right, and we have no clue. So, anyways. All right. Down below her elbow. Whoa. Now, see, guys, she's still able to move that. There's still movement, but there's still that support if you know you needed that for your joints or whatever. But yeah, this stuff is really neat. You need to look this up. If you have inflammation, you have joint pain, muscle pain, you really need to look up this tape, because this is a new like big thing that people are doing, and they say it really does help. The reusable travel set. Now this is pretty cool. This is a reusable like Ziploc bag. I found some on Amazon, and it was 10 for $12.98. So about the same. I mean, you're going to pay about the same, actually. I brought mine home, and this is what I did. Okay, guys, so I took my reusable bags and loaded them up with my essentials like that I would need if I were going on a trip. These are perfect for that. And it actually fit my body spray, my hair stuff, moisturizer, a little bit of serum, and also some Q-tips in the little small one. I love the little small ones. I actually wish they sold it like with a package where you could get a couple of the small ones, because these are like super duper handy. But these are nice. These are good quality plastic. I mean, they are, or rubber, I guess is what they're actually made out of. Anyways, whatever they look to be good quality, honestly. Next up, I have got the flushable wipes. I have never seen these at the Dollar Tree before, ever. I thought it was pretty neat that you could buy a pack at the Dollar Tree. It is 36 wipes, everyday flushable wipes with vitamin E and aloe, alcohol-free for sensitive skin. It's a 36 count. Nothing special about the packaging. It's not got any, like, there's nothing special about it. But for the price, this is what they are on Amazon. Okay. $1.25. I'm just saying. Y'all, when I spotted these nails in the Dollar Tree, I was like, what? These were super cute. Those right there look like they had a sweater pattern on them. They were so stinking cute. And then these with the rhinestones, are you kidding me? At the Dollar Tree? All right, guys, so next up we have got the 7-nail. This is a 12-piece ready-to-wear, glue not included set of fake fingernails. They are so stinking cute, guys. They had so many different styles and colors and just really cute stuff. So I'm going to put these on and we will see just how cute they are. Himalayan pink salt. Have you guys heard of this? Have you seen this before? Have you seen this at the Dollar Tree? It says cooling and refreshing. Natural mint oil. This is a nasal inhaler. Okay, next up, I have got the Himalayan Salt Range Himalayan Pink Salt Nasal Inhaler. This is cooling and refreshing. Infused with natural mint oil. Let's see, it says clears airways when breathing, relief of nasal congestion due to colds, packed with natural essential oils and non-medicated. So pretty cool. I'm going to open it up and just kind of sniff it, okay? Literally. My sister-in-law uses these things all the time. Like, she uses the Vicks one. You know, there's like a Vicks menthol inhaler thing. And she uses that thing all the time during the winter. So I'm thinking this would be pretty neat. And it's all natural. So that's very cool. So let's see. Just untwist it. This is what the lid looks like. Or the end of it looks like. So that you can... It's got a lot of mint. Whoa. Yeah, that definitely opened up that nostril. Let's do the other one. Oh gosh, that almost hurts. It's so mint. I got to buy one of these for my sister-in-law for sure. Like, for sure. And it's got quite a bit in it, you guys. Yeah, very cool. Very, very cool. Himalayan pink salt. If you use this kind of stuff or you stay stopped up, like some people stay congested all the time. My grandmother, I can remember her actually snorting salt water. Like this, I no lie. Literally, she would snort salt water because her sinuses stayed so congested and like messed up all the time. Year round, she kept like sinus stuff. Of course, I'm sure she could have gone to the doctor and done something, but you know how it was back in the day. They did not go to the doctor for anything. They did it themselves. And that's what she did, was she would snort salt water. So I get it. There are some people that just stay stopped up all the time. And these little things, this is neat because it's all natural, guys. That's the best part. Like, it's totally all natural. So if you are one of those people, go get you one of these at the Dollar Tree. It is the pink Himalayan mint salt. There you go. Decor stuff. Check it out. How cool is that? Y'all, the same exact thing, the blue rhinestone, same exact thing on Amazon is $5.99. $1.25, the Dollar Tree. Okay, so on that same aisle, on a bottom shelf, I found Krylon Color Max acrylic latex paint, guys. Are at the Dollar Tree? Like, what is going on? Right beside the space tape of all things. Be careful with that space tape. I always want to put out a warning, like a POA or however you say PSA. Definitely be careful with the space tape. It will take paint off your walls. Now back to the Krylon Color Max paint, guys. Okay, so if I did my math correctly, you would have spent $5 to get this exact same thing on Amazon for $22.99. Are you kidding me? Y'all, I could kick myself. I only bought one of these. I could kick myself. I had no idea that it was that expensive. This is the gloss white, and I don't use gloss that often, so I don't know that I would have actually used it. You know, so I don't want to buy it and then it just sit in my craft room. But for the price, man, I sure wished I'd have bought more than one. So if you see this at your Dollar Tree, just remember 4 of these equals $22 on Amazon. Just remember that. Something else I wanted to point out about the Dollar Tree, their baby section is awesome. They got several new things that I have not ever seen before. I've never seen these cabinet latches. They also had like door latches. They had the little plug-in deals. They had really cute like pacifiers. There's bottles. There's baby wash. There's baby wipes. There's just an assortment of baby items at the Dollar Tree. So my Dollar Tree doesn't have a lot of Easter stuff, but I wanted to show you something new that I've never seen before. How stinking cute are those? Too cute. Okay, in like literally the most random spot. So there's Valentine's and then like Easter basket toys. I literally found this. And on Amazon, it is $7.99 for the exact same size bottle. I couldn't find this exact scent, but you guys, seriously, if you find this, grab it. Okay, would you guys look at how cute these garlands are? You got the rabbit. That one's a rabbit. This one's got the bunnies and the carrots and then the eggs. Like if you are into buffalo check, these are darling. And they're made out of like MDF, so pretty good quality. Check out these enormous baskets that the Dollar Tree has right now for $3. Look at the size of that, you guys. $3.
All right, guys, that is it for today. I think it is safe to say that the Dollar Tree has got some awesome hidden gems. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, y'all have a blessed day.